turned to him, said, man, help me out. I feel I'm on an island in an ocean full of change. Can't bring myself to dive into an ocean full of change. Am I losing touch? Am I losing touch now? He said, what a terrible time to be alive if you're prone to overthinking it. What a terrible time to be alive if you're prone to second guessing it. Hey, pretty smiling people, we're alright together, we're alright together. Hey, pretty shining people, we're alright together, we're alright together.
Aitäh teile, jätkame 854 ja 863 ehk siis finaali pääsenud Karola ja Kristel.